So before we get into today's video, this is not sponsored, not paid, none of that stuff, but I really want to showcase this. So the guys at Simply Print, I've been using them for a while to run my printers. So I'm running my two P1Ss at the moment, but I can run a lot more because of the print farm package. They were very kind enough to actually extend my trial. And I just wanted to showcase it quickly before we get into today's video of the P1S setup for the farm. So these are the stats. So it shows me how many jobs I've done, how many succeeded, how many failed. The AI in this is incredible. I'm running my printers through the cloud through Bamboo, so I haven't upgraded my firmware, so I don't have to worry about that LAN only mode. But you can as well. They've got their own slicer. You can have Bamboo slicers. You can have Brewster slicers, I think it is. Yep, and the Orca slicer. And you can print all your files through this. It's awesome. This is like sick software. You can put all your files in the cloud, and yeah, if you go to Layer Lab on YouTube, he's already gone through it in depth on how you can like monitor your filament, so you know when your filament's running out and your old filament. And yeah, he's explained it all. I'll let you go through that with him. But if you haven't already, go check out the Simply Print. If you're into like a print farm and you really like, you got two or more printers, it's good for. Like, I highly recommend it. And the guys on the Discord are super helpful. Albert, they bend over backwards for you. If you've got issues, they pretty much fix it straight away. Oops, I'll skip that part. And yeah, like the AI detection works fantastic. Let's see if I can see it. Let's go to this one. It probably won't work because the printer isn't printing. Nah, that's all right. Anyways, let's get into today's video. What's going on, guys? My name's Case, and if you're new to the channel, I do 3D printing in my garage, and I do daily videos of just cool things that I want to design and 3D print. So today's video is a little bit different. So I've got my second P1S arrive, and I'm going to showcase me just, top 5 things, I guess you could say, that I would print straight away if I was getting a second printer, which I did. Essential things that are not over the top, but will help with the process of a print farm. I'm going to roll the B-rolls now, just over the top every time I'm talking. None of this is scripted, so I might go on a tangent, I might not, and we'll try to keep it short and sweet. Try to keep it to 5 minutes, because no one likes watching videos for too long. My chickens are going off in the corner there. So, first one, it has to be the Stein wipe. If you don't know what Stein wipe is, I'll leave a link in the description of the Makerworld introduction. And if you want to go further into the Patreon and whatnot and get more details, I'd do that. Essentially what it does is it cleans the nozzle, makes sure that it's nice and clean. It has its own motions and stuff, so you can prime the nozzle with a bit better of accuracy. And like you can see how down here, there's a little tiny, I don't know if you can see it, there's a tiny little purge line. Like a little line, not purge line, but yeah. And that sort of gives it a bit better. Okay, let's fix this. Come on, there we go. The next one would be the plate alignments. You need those. They just work. They help in and out because you're constantly changing the nozzles. What else is next? A riser. If you're getting a P1S, the first thing you want to do is add a riser, because that thing just rubs and it's annoying. And I've got a minimalistic one because I didn't get the AMS this time because I don't need it. I'm just going to be running single filaments with PETG and whatnot, and it helps. Yes, for the P1S, I don't know if you can see it. I'll run a B-roll to make it easier, but essentially it's the PTF guide, so it doesn't rub, or it keeps it down nice and low profile. Super easy to install. Takes about 15 minutes. Once again, I'll leave a link to all these Makerworlds in the description. And yeah, so that you have to print is the poop chute, updated poop chute. It's not very common. It hasn't got many downloads in that, but it's super handy. Essentially, I'll show the video, but it essentially makes it so it doesn't get clogged. And if you add that with the BQ Panda plate, like the poop chute ceramic plate, whatever you want to call it, it doesn't clog at all. I've never had clogs with this one since I've added that. And just BQ, their stuff is awesome. I love that's why this one here, I've updated the tool head just to cover, and I added the fan. It's got like its own custom fan, so I'll just use that as well. It helps cooling and all that sort of stuff, so that the print comes out nice quality every time. Next thing would be little tiny covers. I'll put the video up there. Those covers are awesome. It just looks cool, mainly, but it also keeps the dust off the top rods and doesn't interfere with the print too much. And yeah, I know this is a very short video. I'm trying to keep it 5 minutes to 10, just to help with getting into these long form videos. I will be
Today, Junior!
doing an unboxing of the H2S when it arrives, and that should be the next couple of days, tomorrow hopefully. And then I'll print for a week with it, do some updates and videos, and hopefully it fits into this spot. So that's going to be where the H2S goes, and if that works, that'd be awesome. If not, I'm gonna have to do something, change out my bed for it. So yeah, hope you guys, if I missed anything, I'll make sure I add it after, or I'll just do another video on it. Hopefully I covered a lot, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep printing and enjoy your day. Bye.